Hello, welcome my lovely learners to today's activity. We'll still be looking at time and measurement of time and money. Measurement of time and money. What are we looking at? Let's look at our main objective for today. We are learning to write time in hours and minutes or half hours. This one will be half hours. We are learning to what? Write time in hours and half hour. All right, let's look at some few examples that we'll be looking at. Draw the following hours. This is 7 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. These are all in hours. There is no minute attached this. Look at this. This is 00, 7 o'clock. If there should be any figure written here, it will be 7:10, 7:30. But this one is 7:00. It is telling you it's 7 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So let's draw the first one. This is our 7 o'clock. So how do you draw your 7 o'clock? How do you draw your 7 o'clock? Now, first of all, you have to draw your circle like this. Mark it top, down, right, left, as we've done in the previous lesson. Now, right at the top, this is 12. 12, this is 3. This is 6. And this is 9. I want you to label your circle in this form. 12, 3, 6, 9. When you finish, you can mark this 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Have you seen it? So you write again 1, 2, this is 3. The next one will be 4. This is 5. Our 6 is already here. You write 7, 8, 9. You write your 10, 11. Look at this. This is 3, 9, 12, 6. So the middle, you clean it. The middle. That is where your clock, the hour hand, the minute hand, the second hand, that is where they will be. What are we supposed to draw? We are supposed to draw 7 o'clock. Now, the hour hand must be on what? 7. This is the hour hand. The shorter hand must be on 7. And the other hand, which is longer than the shorter hand, the minute hand, must be on 12. Must be on 12. That is 7 o'clock. Now, let's look at example 2, which is 2 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock. I told you this is to help you gauge what we are doing. 6, 12, 3, and 9. Now, 2 o'clock. So mark this one, you divide it again. Divide it again. Divide it again. We have from 12, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, I told you this is what? The middle must come. So, look at it carefully. That is telling you that this is my middle. All right. What are we supposed to draw? 2 o'clock. The shorter hand must be like this, and then the longer hand must be what? Must be on 2. It should be on 2 well, so that everybody can see. All right. So when you look at this carefully, you realize that this arrow pointing to the 12 is longer than the one pointing to the 2. This is the hour hand showing the hour 2. Have you seen it? The hour 2. All right, let's move on to the next number 3. Let's write it. Number 3 is 9 o'clock. Number 4 is 5 o'clock. So let me write them here. 9 o'clock and then 5 o'clock. All right, so quickly mark your circles. Left, right. Have you seen it? Now you name them. 12, 3, 6, 9. Look at it. I can decide to continue this like this. But what I'm supposed to draw is already here, so there's no need. But you can still write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I will be asking you a question along the exercise that we are doing. Now look at it carefully. Look at it. We are to draw 9 o'clock. I told you the hour hand must be on what? 9. The hour hand must be on 9. So draw it straight. The minute hand must be on 12 like this. Look at it carefully. Some of you have been changing it like this. Instead of the shorter hand being on 9, the longer one would rather be, and it is like this. When it is like this, that means this is 12, this is what? 9. It's not the best way. I mean this. The longer one would rather will be on 9 like this. It's not the best way if it is like this. You are writing something quarter to 12. Alright, the next one under this. Mark it top down, left, right. Mark it top down, left, right. Then you write your figures. This is 12, 3, 6, 9. The middle is what? Alright. We are supposed to draw 5 o'clock. So look at it. You mark it, divide it into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. What else? Then you write your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you are able to do it like this, well done. Now, try to put your arrows. Quickly do that. Look at it. This is 5 o'clock, so the hour hand must be on 5. The shorter arrow must be on 5, like this. And then the longer one must be on 12. That is it. Have you seen it? 5 o'clock. Now, let's continue with the other set of examples. You can be given other examples like this. Now we are writing them in what? Halves. This is 9:30, 12:30, 11:30, 1:30. We are writing this in halves. Look at it carefully. Now I will draw my circle nicely. Then I will mark from the top to down, left, right. Look at it. Write your numbers. 12, 3, 6, 9. Divide this side into 2, 2, 2. Then you write your figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When you write the 12, 3, 6, 9 first. It makes the circle divide into equal parts. That is, look at this circle here. When you write it like this, look at this circle here. You divide it like this equally. That is the rationale behind writing this. So when I clean this one, this is 9. When I clean it, this is my 12. When I clean this one, this is my 3. When I clean this one, this is my 6. So when you number it, you realize that, then I'll clean all these things. This is my middle. Have you seen it? That is why we have been writing 12, 6, 9, 3. Top, down, left, right, to make the diagram simple. All right, let's continue. So let's draw the first one. 9:30. Where is 9? This is 9. This is 9. The hour hand must be on 9, or can move from 9 a bit. But the 30 is what? On 6. Now, why is it 30? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time we counted and I taught you between 12 and 1, we have other 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one is on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So count from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, look at it. This is 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5 is what? 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. That is why when it is on 6, we say it's 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right, so look at it carefully. This is how you'll be drawing your diagram. I will be leaving the rest of the examples for you to try at home. Let's do the last one. Let's take number 2. This one, 12:30. This is 12, 6, 9, 3. Now, when it is 12:30, I can mark this one, this one, this one, this one. 12:30. So look at it. This is 12. This is 12. And this is my hour hand pointing to 12. Now the minute hand must point to 6. You understand? So look at it. The hour hand pointed to 12. It can slide a bit slight on 12 getting to 1, but it will not be 1. It can be drawn like this too. Look at it. It can also be drawn like that. But make sure it is not 1. This is 1. 2. Have you seen it? It is between 12 and 1. So that is how you have to do it. Nicely drawn. Then you label it what? 12:30. I'll leave 1, 2 for you to try at home. The example for you to try at home. Till we meet again. Keep revising, do this, show these examples to your parents, and they will recommend you whether you have done the right thing or not. Keep safe. Bye-bye.